What's going on, everybody? Zen here, and today we are going to experiment with the cold glue. Glexo cold glue. They say it works for hail. And does it? We will see. Let's check it out. So what we have here is a Glexo hail kit. I got that one on, as you can see, on MTE in Orlando. So inside you get these tabs. They're supposed to be for hail, different sizes. What is really nice about these tabs is that they have a rubber here in between, so it holds on really well to the slide hammer. And it also comes with two different glues. One is for, I think this one is for normal, and this one is for more hot temperatures. So after listening to PDR Tool Time and John Ranstrom's suggestion of how to use this cold glue for hail, I followed his advice, came up with this. So a really light slide hammer that you can use with one hand. Here's the tiny bit of cold glue. I just used the regular cold glue I have from this normal set. Is the white paper. We have the Tequila thumb print glue tab here with this cold glue on, and all together is glued inside, so it always stays on, it doesn't go off. I have it stored separately here, nice and convenient. So let's see. Let's try it on. Let's see if it works. I was super impressed with how it worked. To be honest, I didn't think it would be that good. This is how you're supposed to put it every time you pull, in a nice triangle. So basically you can pinpoint easier the dent when you want to pull. But I just went a few times. I corrected it only a few times. So like I said, I was super impressed. I'm yet to use this on a hailstorm when I have cars rolling through, but just on this single car that I did, worked perfect. True, it was a Mazda. And as you know, Mazda is much softer metal, but in between of this repair, I had one big dent on a rail coming in, an oversized dent on a Ford car, so it also pulled that one. Not perfectly, of course, I had to finish with the regular glue, but this made it much smaller, and it shortened my time much. It shortened my time a lot. This is not going to replace the hot glue. No way, you still need hot glue. I still needed hot glue on that rail, on that car, of course. And but this is a great way to fasten up your repairs. I did use it on the roof as well. Normally I wouldn't use it on the roof. I just wanted to try it and see how it does. Sometimes maybe you have a few tiny dents on the roof and you don't want to R&I it. You can use this. But in general, it's much faster when you just push it with the rod. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brings value to you guys. And if you do, please click the like button down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification next to it. That way you will see when I release a new video every time.